People living with type 2 diabetes have a dramatically increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Yet through good nutrition and a healthy lifestyle, this can be managed. Healthy eating is a big part of No Diabetes by Heart, and special guest, Chef Ronaldo Linares, stopped by to teach people how.
Bring it in. Do not be shy. You're here anyway. I know you hear me. If you could hear me, come on down, guys. You're going to get a little education, a little fun.
My name is Ronaldo Linares, and I cook with modern techniques and ancestral flavors. I like to use the ancestral flavors of my cooking from the Cuban background, Colombian background, and Latin background, and infuse it into today's world and making the food diabetic friendly and heart friendly.
Smell it. Now it's starting to smell.
Today, for the 79 scientific sessions, we are doing this really cool cooking demonstration. We're doing 3 different recipes. Some are favorites per se. One is a spatchcock chicken, which is pretty much taking the backbone off the chicken, roasting it, cuts cooking time. We're taking the skin off, leaving out the saturated fats. Saturated fats are no bueno. We don't want them in our food. We want flavor. I want people today to get inspired to look at food a little bit different, to love the food, to start educating themselves and be excited about cooking. No Diabetes by Heart is a great website. We're gonna find a lot of information on recipes, things that you could do to prevent heart disease, cardiovascular disease, along with helping you with your type 2 diabetes, your type 1, and being pre-diabetic as well. What I'm doing is just kind of being a driver for it and helping people see it and see what they're doing. And it's huge. The American Diabetes Association, American Heart Association are teaming up and really attacking diabetes at the front. So it's kind of like the Marines of the health industry, so I love it. If you really go into the kitchen and start cooking and bring in the family and start eliminating the processed foods, no more sodas, no more chips, replace with fruits. It's all about the land. It's all about what nature, what God has given us and creating food out of that. We need to go back to that. We need to educate ourselves before we get way too far into unhealthy habits. Health is our wealth. I mean, without our health, we can't focus on our career. We can't focus on education. We can't focus on our family.
ADA TV is brought to you from the American Diabetes Association's 79th Scientific Sessions. For more from the meeting, make sure to click these links and subscribe for much more from the world of medicine.